Unplug the laser cable, loosen the thumb screws. Remove the old laser module. Unplug the cables on the X-axis motors. X-axis hard limit. Y-axis motors. Loosen the Velcro. Use a 2.5mm hexagonal wrench to loosen the screws and remove the front beam cover. Use a 2.5mm hexagonal wrench to loosen the screws. Remove the combo cable and motherboard from the side opening. Unplug the X-axis motor, Y-axis motor, laser module, and X-axis hard limit cables from the mainboard. Insert the new combination cable according to the cable label and the marking on the motherboard. X-axis motor, Y-axis motor, laser module, X-axis hard limit. Place the mainboard inside the front beam. The Type-C and power on the front of the front beam should be aligned with the motherboard socket without any gaps. Pull the combined cable out from the gap at the Y-axis hard limit. Use a 2.5mm hexagonal wrench and screws to secure the motherboard. Install the front beam cover and tighten the screws. Connect the combo cable and secure with Velcro. Y-axis motor, X-axis hard limit, X-axis motor. Install the laser module onto the X-axis frame, tighten the screws to secure it, and finally connect the cables.